it's time to look at all the lights of the car, outside, inside, what you can do with the lights, and the auto high beam, which is a great feature. We have full LED lights in the front and in the back in this premium edition. Only the first edition Trend in Germany, it's different names in other ones, has halogen, how do you pronounce it? I don't know. Let's look at the thing. Exactly. What you can hear is the heat pump. This light look like. And in the back, good. Those don't look like LEDs. Don't think so. In the car, what do we have? There's no light in the foot. Wait, there's one up top here that you can switch. And there's one in the back that still has a plastic wrapping on them. It's okay. And we have one underneath here. And the same for the passenger side. Ooh, it turns off automatically when you close it. Ooh, because you press the button. How about here? No light. No. No light down here in the glove box. Let's look in the back. Trunk has a light, one on this side. It's not very bright, but it's enough. It's okay.